Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to open a VW Golf boot from inside. First, you need to access the boot area from the passenger compartment. Begin by locating the rear seat backrest in your VW Golf. Most models allow you to fold these seats down, providing a clear path into the boot. Make sure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off before you start. This ensures your safety and prevents any accidental movement. Once you are inside the boot area, you will need to locate the emergency release mechanism. This is a crucial safety feature designed for situations where you might be trapped inside. Look carefully on the inside of the boot lid. The release is usually a small lever or handle, often colored yellow or made with glow-in-the-dark material for easy visibility in low light. It's typically positioned close to the main boot latch. With the emergency release located, the next step is to activate it. Simply pull the lever or handle firmly towards you. You should hear a distinct click as the boot latch disengages. Once you hear that sound, the boot lid is unlocked. You can then push the boot lid open from the inside. This action will allow you to exit the boot or retrieve items if needed. Always prioritize your safety when performing any task within your vehicle. It's important to familiarize yourself with all of your car's safety features, including emergency releases, for unexpected situations. Knowing these details can be incredibly helpful. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This information can be a lifesaver, so stay informed and drive safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.